Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, I am going to deal with these prepositions given in chapter 3 Netzwerk B1 level book. So if you are learning B1 level, this is very important video for you. All the videos related to B1 level you can find in the playlist. Also for A1 and A2 level. So let's start with these prepositions. These three prepositions you can see for, während and nach. These are called temporal prepositions. Temporal prepositions, okay, we use in time framework. For means before or ago. Während means during. And nach means after. Like you say 2 years ago I was in Berlin. Okay, or 3 years ago I have done Ausbildung. So we'll write some sentences so that it is clear to you and you understand better. For like vor 2 Jahren. Vor 2 Jahren. Jahren. For 2 Jahren, it is dative. This is dative. This is dative. Okay. Während is called genitive preposition. So for 2 Jahren war ich in Paris. Okay. Means 2 years ago. 2 years ago I was in Paris. So this is for ago. Or you can say vor 2 Jahren habe ich eine Ausbildung gemacht. It is perfect tense. Habe ich die Ausbildung gemacht. It's perfect. So remember, for we use in the past tense. Something has already been done, like 2 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago. So now you are telling like 2 years ago, 2 years before I was in Berlin, I was in Paris. 5 years ago I was there. I have done Ausbildung 4 years ago. So this is past tense. For means ago, before. When you talk about the past. Alright, I hope this is clear. I have written also sentences. You can see this. Next is während. Während means during. For während, we use genitive preposition. Genitive, you know, I have written genitive articles here so that you can understand. Der and das changes into des. And D changes into der. This is a genitive table. Means whenever you have these articles, you convert them. Der and das into des and D into der. So this is called genitive article. How do we make sentence? Like during the training, I had lot of fun. You can make it also in the present tense. During the training. So während, I am writing here. I think it is visible. Während der Ausbildung der hatte ich viel Spaß. Okay, so während der Ausbildung means during the Ausbildung. When you do two work, okay, when two actions simultaneously during the meeting, during the training, während des Ausbildung. You can say während des Treffens, during the meeting. You can make many sentences. Während des Treffens. Treffens means meeting. Okay. Während des Treffens. And then this is the workplace. Here you will write verb. Okay. Während des Treffens. Während des Treffens hat der Chef uns Tipps gegeben. During the meeting, tips has been given by the chef or the boss has given us tips. Während des Treffens, meetings. Okay. During the meeting, the boss has given us tips. So this is während, during. Like während Autofahrens, während des Autofahrens höre ich Musik. So it can be present, it can be past as per the situation. So this is called während. Okay, this is another preposition. I said this is genitive preposition. Okay, now I erase this and write something else, some other sentences. All right. Next is deshalb. Deshalb means that's why. That's why. Deshalb. That's why. Or therefore. We have some replacement of deshalb. You can also say darum. You can also say deswegen. Okay. These are all same. These are all synonyms. Same. These are all same. Okay. So deshalb, after deshalb is a workplace. Okay. डिसाल्व के बाद ही वर्ब आएगा, लाइक Ich arbeite in Deutschland. Deshalb lerne ich Deutsch. Okay, so this is Deutschland. In short, ich arbeite in Deutschland, deshalb lerne ich Deutsch. I work in Germany, that's why I am learning German. Because you know, people who work in Germany, who lives in Germany, they need to have German language. They need to have knowledge of German language so that they can sustain over there easily without any problem. They can sustain over there and they can live there. Okay, and they can lead a normal life. Another sentence. So here the verb position is after dissolve. This is your verb position immediately after dissolve. Or you can say as regnet stark. It's raining very heavy. Darum gehe ich nicht. That's why I am not going. It is raining very heavy. That therefore I am not going. So again here after darum you write verb gehe. You can also start like this, ich gehe nicht, but it will be different. So always start like this, es regnet stark means what is the reason? It is raining very heavy. Therefore I am not going. Or I am working in Germany, that's why I am learning German. So darum deshalb, it gives you reason why you are doing so, why you are learning German, why you are not going, why you are not playing, why you are not reading, why you are not learning. So you will give a reason. Ich bin krank, deshalb arbeite ich nicht heute. Ich hatte Fieber, deshalb war ich zu Hause. You can make in present or in past tense, both the tense possible with this connector conjunctions. So we have done these important connectors, während, for, deshalb. Then nach. Nach means after. This is also dative preposition. Like after 2 years, I'll go to Germany. Nach 2 Jahren fahre ich nach Deutschland. After the studies, I study in Germany. Nach dem Studium. Nach dem Studium studiere ich in Deutschland. See, nach dem Studium. This is also dative. So nach dem Studium. This is your one word. This is your one word. Now you will write the verb. Studiere ich in Deutschland. Okay, this is Deutschland. So nach dem Studium means after the studies. After the studies, I'll study in Germany. Nach dem Studium or nach der Schule. After the school, I'll study in Germany. So nach is also dative preposition. Okay, remember you will use dative articles. Dative articles means der and das convert into dem. Okay, der and das convert into dem, and d changes into der. This is dative articles. This is dative articles. So you can use them. This is also very, very important. So these are all dative articles. So we have done dative prepositions, genitive and temporal preposition, basically nach, for, where, and these are temporal preposition. We relate with the time framework. I have already made videos, you can watch in the playlist. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.